In this video, I will explain how to create Spring Boot project in your system. This is the first lab experiment. Let's create project. Open Eclipse IDE. Double click on it. This is the workspace location where you want to save your Spring Boot project. Now go to click on launch. Starting Eclipse IDE. This is the Eclipse IDE framework. Now you have to create a Spring Boot project. Go to File, New, click on Others. Then open the search bar. In the search bar, type here Spring Starter Project. Click on it. Select this one and click on Next. This is the name of the project. Let's type here project name. No. Package type is Maven. This is jar file. Your Java version is 8. Language Java. This is group ID, artifact ID, version, description, package. This is group ID. If you know little bit knowledge on Maven, it have default or you can change it. This is the artifact ID. This is version, description. It have default, you can change it. Hello. This is package. It is also default or you can change it. Let's now click on next. So these are all dependencies available to import into pom.xml file. So for now you can use it. Do you want to any dependencies like web project? You can import for web project. You want to MySQL, type here MySQL, then show the MySQL dependency. Click on it, then add the dependency. Now you can leave it and click next and click on finish. So here if you observe here, process is taking place, import getting started content. So here create project and import here. So hello world project is created. Let's wait, process is completed. It is taking time to create project because it is first Spring Boot project. I'm creating the laptop. So download the all dependencies from the internet. So download the all dependencies from the Maven repository from the internet, and it is the import here. So download to taking longer time. It is based on your internet speed. At the first time download so many dependencies jar file, so must have internet. In the project structure, this is the project structure. Open the pom.xml file. So here you have specified dependency Spring Boot starter. Spring Boot starter. Here we have mentioned only couple of dependencies, but you are observed many dependencies, many jars are downloaded automatically. No need to specify all through dependencies in form.xml. Group ID, artifact ID, automatically download, no need mention, no need specify here. Spring Boot starter dependency here. After completion of the downloading, open the project. In this source main.java, source main Java, source main resources, ss text Java, Maven dependencies. Here you observe Maven dependency here. In this Maven dependency, jar files are available here. In Maven dependency, jar files are available here. In Maven dependency folder, download all jar files from internet. This is the power of Spring Boot. Let's see the simple Spring Boot project. The hello world application. This is main class. This is a main class for Spring Boot applications to start the project. You observe here, this is the annotation of Spring Boot application annotation. This annotation is responsible for start Spring Boot project. System.out.println. Hello. This is Spring Boot first project. Boot first project. You can save and run this project. Right click on Spring Boot application, run as. Here you observe Spring Boot app. Observe here, output here. So you can observe you have output. This is Spring Boot first project.